Bon, hello, salam alaikum. Today I came to talk about concept of data providing provider. Like I said, today I came to talk about concept of data from hive, from bee. So the concept is simple, is to have a moving vehicle that allow bees to come and feed or drop that pollen. But the main reason is to translate the sound hive to a data first. So, we need to milk the bee to get data. So we need to harvest. So first we need to harvest the hive sound, the sound of the bee. And after the bee sound is harvested, the sound is converted to digital format. So this can be realized through a process called a pulse code modulation. And this pulse code modulation involves 3 steps. The first steps involve sampling. The second steps is quantization, and the third step is encoding. And when the sound hive is encoded, we can translate it to a data text or data images or data video with a special software. Depends on which kind of data you want to translate it, texts or images or videos, and that is it basically. So the concept is to create I'm gonna recapitalize. I'm gonna make the resume of the concept. So the concept is to create a comfortable environment for the bee to live in a moving vehicle, obviously, so they can produce data, or we can milk them to get data. And I hope my concept was understood, and I hope my video wasn't too long. And thank you for listening, and you have a good evening.